So, how does one eliminate bad debt from a credit report? I don't care if it's collections, repossessions, charge off, evictions, child support, it all can come off. If interested, there's a free e-course in a link below in the description that you'll get. And it's 27-day e-course, PDF available to you, made for free. All you got to do is put your name and email address in there, and you'll be able to get tips on how to improve credit, how to raise credit scores, how to play the game, if you will. If in the event that one has a bunch of collections, repossessions, any of those things that's considered to be derogatory, we do offer a ebook course. We call it a 7 business day step-by-step ebook course on how to eliminate all bad credit from your credit reports, whether you've been a victim of identity theft or whatever. You can get it off. You'll be getting it at 99% off, if you will. Normally we charge like $1,000 for a flat fee, what some may call a credit sweep. We call it a legal credit adjustment. And so inside this ebook, there's a step-by-step system on how to get rid of this stuff, whether you've been a victim of identity theft or if there's any kind of unauthorized charge off for collections or anything that may be on your credit report. If in the event that you can't handle it, you get too busy, you don't have the time to get it done, of course, my staff and I will be happy to help you out. Feel free just to follow that process through that link. All right, until next time, this is Robin with Robin's Improve Yourself Consulting. I like to make sure that you stay tuned. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, leave your comments, and be sure to share this information, and we'll be happy to collaborate with you in the near future. Appreciate your time. Hopefully you have a great day. You take it easy, and happy credit improvement. Till then, later.